Imagine waking up every day to $100 passively, while AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact strategy beginners are using right now to make their first $100 a day with AI and affiliate marketing, and how you can start today without any tech skills. First, let's break down the formula. You need three things: a niche content powered by AI. High-paying affiliate offers AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper.ai, and Pictory.ai are changing the game. You can now create blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content, all in one day using these tools. Here's your step-by-step plan to hit $100 a day. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas like fitness, AI tools, personal finance, or tech gadgets. Step 2. Find high-ticket affiliate programs. Instead of buy commissions, go for products paying $50 to $200 per sale. Examples: Jasper.ai, Systemi.io, Surfer.co, or hosting programs like Bluehost. Step 3. Create AI-generated content. Use ChatGPT to script YouTube videos, blogs, and social posts. Use Pictory.ai to instantly turn scripts into videos, perfect for YouTube or TikTok. Step 4. Promote smartly. Post your AI content on YouTube, TikTok, and Medium. Link your affiliate products in every description, comment, and bio.